Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Edna Aadan Ismail, and I'm sending this humanitarian appeal to the international community. I'm sending this appeal in my capacity as a special envoy of the President of Somaliland, in my capacity as a humanitarian, in my capacity as the founding Secretary General of the Somali Red Crescent Association, in my capacity as a retired United Nations diplomat with a 32-year span of career with the World Health Organization. Today, my appeal is on behalf of the thousands of villagers who have been massacred in their homes in the villages of Dacawaley, in Abu Bakr Ahmed, and in many smaller villages in the area. That district is in the Somali inhabited regions of Ethiopia, and it borders the Republic of Somaliland. Villages have been shelled and bombed and killed by military militia. Their homes were torched, and women and children were shot indiscriminately. Many have fled into the bushes. Those who could be carried were brought across the border into Somaliland for medical help in the small district hospitals of Beeraley and the other smaller medical centers. Many have sought refuge in bushes and trenches where they're likely to be eaten by wild animals. Somaliland has registered 151 casualties. We have registered 59 deaths, but many could not reach us. My appeal to the international community is that these refugees, who now number thousands, will need homes, will need shelter, will need protection to return to their traditional dwellings. I appeal to UNHCR, I appeal to the International Red Cross, I appeal to the World Health Organization. This is a disaster that needs international response. Somaliland cannot be expected to deal with a humanitarian disaster of that magnitude. I will leave your conscience to deal with that disaster. Thank you.